Steve here from Meatless Makeovers, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon lavender champagne cocktail, which is going to be perfect for New Year's Eve, which is right around the corner, or just a fun Friday night in. Now, the star of this show is food grade lavender flowers. You can get these online, Amazon has them, and sometimes you can find them at your local store. But this is going to make this drink shine. And what we're going to do, we're going to infuse the juice of one lemon with the lavender and a little bit of agave nectar for some sweetness. So let's get started. First, we're going to juice one lemon. Now, you can juice it just by hand because you do strain this, but we like to use this type of lemon juicer. It tends to get more juice out than I can just squeezing it with my hand. Perfect. So then one more like this, then we'll move right on to getting this flavor going. Now, this recipe that I'm showing you now is going to make enough for 2 drinks. So adjust accordingly if you've got a crowd. So just so you know, 2 drinks. Now, you've got your lemon juice. You're going to put your lavender flowers in there. Perfect. And a little bit of sweetness, agave nectar. Use 1 tablespoon lavender to 2 teaspoons agave. And what we're going to do next, we're going to muddle that up. Muddling, it's just going to help release a lot of those oils that are in the lavender leaves and put that flavor right into the citrus. So you just give that little twist. Now you let this sit aside for about 5-10 minutes. Think of it almost like tea. Yeah, the tea has to take time to get into the liquid. So to save a little time, I already did one. So here we go. This has had enough time to sit and really get those flavors going. So what we're going to do, we're going to strain this to get the lavender flowers out of it and any seeds that might have dropped in. So we're going to strain it right into a pint glass. Excellent. You can even give it a little squish just to get any excess out of there. Perfect. Put this away. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but the lemon juice has even turned a little purple, which is great. It might give the drink a little bit of a hue. Excellent. So now we're all set up. Now it's time to open the bottle. Now it doesn't have to be champagne. It can be any run-of-the-mill sparkling wine, even from the States. It doesn't matter. But what we like is something a little bit drier because you do add a little sweetness to it. You don't have to have a real sweet sparkling wine. Now always be careful when you're opening champagne. Point it away from you. Excellent. Cover it with the cork with a little bit of a cloth and turn the bottle, don't turn the cork.
Steve, what are you doing in there?
Oh, you'll find out in just a second. I'll let you know. Excellent. So we've got the cork off, and now we're going to divide this into 2 champagne flutes. Perfect. Now, just top it off. Almost set. Go slow, and the bubbles will go down by themselves. When you're pouring it, the bubbles help the aromatics, and you can smell the lavender while you're pouring the champagne. It's amazing. So pour slow. Now, to take this drink to an even more higher level, you can garnish with a couple extra lavender leaves or even a twist of a lemon peel. Excellent, but I think we're ready. Let's have Alyssa have a taste. Alyssa, we're ready for you.
Hey!
Lemon Lavender Champagne Cocktail.
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Oh, it smells great too.
Let's have a taste.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. Wow.
Wow. The lavender hits you right in the nose when you're sipping.
This is amazing. So good.
Let us know if you try it down in the comments, and have a blessed New Year.